What do a printer, a philosopher, and a patriot have in common? One incredible man, Benjamin Franklin. Born in 1706, Benjamin Franklin was the 15th of 17 children. At just 12, he apprenticed under his brother James, a printer. Think sibling rivalry is tough. Try writing under a pseudonym like Silence Dogged to sneak your works into his paper. Their rocky relationship led young Ben to flee to Philadelphia at 17. Franklin's early years were also shaped by Cotton Mather, a Puritan minister. Despite their different religious views, Franklin respected Mather's advocacy for science and public health. While Franklin believed in God and morality, he favored Enlightenment rationalism over religious dogma. His writings speak volumes about practical morality and religious tolerance. Like many, Franklin owned slaves early on, but his views evolved. He became a fervent abolitionist, even petitioning Congress in 1790 to end slavery. During the American Revolution, Franklin was more than a founding father. He was the revolution's global diplomat. His charm and intellect secured crucial French support for the cause. Benjamin Franklin left an indelible mark on science, politics, and human freedom. As he said, either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Until next time, remember to keep our heroes alive.